Hi dear students, good morning to all. So in previous class we discussed about Coastal and Lewis approach towards a chemical bond, and also we discussed about Lewis symbols, and that Lewis symbols is also called as a electron dot structure or a electron dot symbols. So next we discussed about the Coastal approach or a Coastal postulates towards the electrovalent bond. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss about the octet rule, and also we are going to discuss about covalent bond and Lewis dot structure. Okay, so here the octet rule, this is also considered as a electronic theory of a chemical bonding. Okay, electronic theory of chemical bonding. So this octet rule, that is also considered as a electronic theory of a chemical bonding. So this is proposed by a Coastal and Lewis in 1960. Okay, so here this octet rule explains that atoms can combine either by transferring of electrons. Okay, so transferring of electrons means one is gaining of electrons will takes place or losing of electrons will takes place. Okay, transferring of electrons from one atom to another atom. Okay, so we already know the example for a transferring of electron. Okay, so here the sodium and chlorine, so these two atoms are going to combine with each other by transferring of electron. Okay, so here the sodium is going to transfer its one electron to chlorine, by that there is a formation of a bond. Okay, so here the octet rule, so that tells that, so here the atoms are going undergo the combination by a transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom, or by a sharing of valency electrons between themselves in order to have an octet in their valency shell. Okay, so for example, if we are going to consider chlorine, so here in chlorine, so here there are totally 7 valency electrons are present in a chlorine. Okay, so that's why, so here it require 1 electrons to obtain the octet. So here when 2 chlorine atoms, so if they are going to combine with each other, so here the 2 electrons of these 2 atoms are going to shared by these 2 chlorine atoms. Okay, so ಇವೆರಡು ಏನು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು, 7 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟು ಅಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ವೆಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಈಚ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಅ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಬ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ rule. Okay, so here when we consider the Lewis dot structure of a Cl. Okay, so here the chlorine Lewis dot structure is, it consists 7 valency electrons in the outermost shell. So here this is the Lewis dot structure of a chlorine, one chlorine atom. Okay, so when we consider the another chlorine atom, so here this is the Lewis dot structure. Okay, so here this chlorine atom require 1 electron to attain the octet, and same way here this is also require 1 electron to attain the octet. Okay, so here these 2 electrons are mutually shared between these 2 species. Okay, so mutual sharing ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, there is a formation of a bond. Okay, so there is a formation of they undergo the combination. Okay, so by mutually sharing each electron Okay, so they are going to form a bond. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ they are going to have the octet. Okay, so ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ octet ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so 8 electrons ಇದಾವ. so next ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. so totally 8 electrons ಇದಾವ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. okay, so octet ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು in their valency shell. ಹೇಗೆ? by mutually sharing the electrons. okay, so this is about the octet rule. okay, so here the octet rule tells that, or it states that the atoms can combine either by a transfer of electrons. okay, so transfer of valency electrons from one atom to another atom. so transfer of electrons means gaining and losing of electrons will takes place. okay, so same way, or so here the combination of atoms will takes place in a two ways. okay, one is in the form of transfer of electrons, so another one is sharing of valency electrons with themselves. okay, so ಅವೆರಡು electrons ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು valency shell ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತಹ electrons ನ share ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು mutually share ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು so they are going to form a bond. okay, so here themselves to have a octet in their valency shell. okay, so even mutually shared ಅಥವಾ transfer ಆಗ್ತಾವ electrons transfer ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ so they are going to have the octet in their valency shell. that means in valency shell there are totally 8 electrons will present. okay, so this is about the octet rule. so that octet rule is also called as a electronic theory of a chemical bonding. okay, so next we will discuss about the covalent bond and Lewis dot structure. next one, covalent bond and Lewis dot okay, so here covalent bond ಈ atoms combine ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎರಡು atoms so mutually electrons ನ share ಮಾಡಿ combine ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಂದ್ರೆ so such type of bond is called as a covalent bond. okay, so for example if we are going to consider H2. okay, so here the H2 is formed by a covalent bond. here the hydrogen which is going to share its one electron with another hydrogen to form a bond. okay, so same way when we consider oxygen, so here this oxygen is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons between two oxygen atoms. okay, so same way so here when we consider the Lewis dot structure of some covalent bonded species. okay, so in that if we are going to consider so here so Cl2 that is chlorine, formation of a chlorine molecule. okay, so first example, formation of Cl2 or chlorine molecule. okay, so here when we consider the formation of chlorine molecule. okay, so chlorine molecule is formed by a 2 chlorine atom. okay, so here we already know the electronic configuration of a chlorine, so that is neon 3s2 3p5. okay, so here it requires one more electron to attain the octet. okay, so here this chlorine is going to combine with the another chlorine that is also have the one less electron to attain the octet configuration. okay, so here when we write the Lewis dot structure of a chlorine, so here in valency shell there are totally 7 electrons are present in a chlorine. so ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. so one side ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಏನು. so hydrogen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು valency shells ಇರ್ತಾವು? ಒಂದು valency electrons. okay, sorry valency electrons. so next lithium ನಲ್ಲಿ so valency electrons ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವು? ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. so next ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಬೋರಾನ್ 3, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 4, next nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, neon 8. So same way in case of sodium, so there are totally 1 valence electron. So next magnesium 2 valence electrons, aluminium 3 valence electrons, silicon 4 valence electrons, phosphorus 5 valence electrons, sulfur 6 valence electrons, chlorine 7 valence electrons, argon 8 valence electrons. Okay, so these are the valency electrons which are present in a valency shell of a respective elements. So idu nimge gothirbeku. To write the Lewis dot structure of a element or a species, you have to know about the valency electrons. Okay, so now here we consider the Cl2, formation of Cl2 molecule. So here the two Cl atoms are going to combine with each other to attain the octet. Okay, so octet rules prakara, so here there is a mutual sharing of electrons takes place to combine two atoms. Okay, so if we are going to write the Lewis dot structure of chlorine, so here the chlorine consists 7 valency electrons. So that's why, so this is the Lewis dot structure of a one chlorine atom. So same way if we are going to write the Lewis dot structure of another chlorine atom, so this is the Lewis dot structure of another chlorine atom. Okay, so here this one pair of electrons are shared between these two atoms. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು atoms ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು electron ನ mutually share ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. So by mutually sharing the electrons, so here they are going to form a bond. Okay, they are going to combine by a mutually sharing an electron. So octet rules prakara, so hege the atoms nadu combination henge agtadi, combine atoms are going to combine either by transferring of electron or by sharing of electron. Okay, so according to octet rule, so here they are going to combine, the two chlorine atoms are going to combine with each other by mutually sharing the electron. Okay, so here they are going to attain the stable octet configuration of a nearest noble gas. Okay, so here when we consider octet configuration, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಾವು, ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ chlorines. Okay, so here when we consider the electrons in this chlorine, so there are totally 8 electrons are present in this chlorine. Okay, so ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ. ಸೊ 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are going to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So nearest noble gas configuration ಯಾವುದು, argon. Okay, so by mutually sharing an electron, so here each chlorine is going to obtain the nearest noble gas configuration, that is nothing but the chlorine. So same way ee chlorine nodidre, so it is also have 8 electron in its valency shell. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So totally ಎಷ್ಟು valency shell ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದಾವೆ, so 8 electrons ಇದಾವೆ. So that means it is also obtain the octet rule. Okay, so octet rule prakara, so here it is going to occupy the 8 electrons in a valency shell by mutually sharing the electrons. Okay, so this is the structure of Cl2, Lewis dot structure of a Cl2 molecule. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ದು ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ Cl2 ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ CCl4 or ethene or propene, like that. Okay, so here this is the Lewis dot structure of a Cl2. So same way, so here when we consider the second one, so here the second example, so this is the example for a homonucleus species. Okay, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಾವು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮೋನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಏನು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಹೋಮೋನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ an example for a heteronucleus species. Okay, so for that we are going to consider water. So formation of a water molecule, formation of water molecule. Okay, so here when we consider the formation of water molecule, so in case of water molecule it consists hydrogen and oxygen, so both are heteronuclear molecules. Okay, so here when we consider the electronic configuration of hydrogen, so that is 1s1. So same way when we consider the electronic configuration of oxygen, so that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, sorry 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of a oxygen. Okay, so here the hydrogen requires one electron to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Okay, so it is going to attain the duplet configuration by gaining one electron. So same way, so here the oxygen require two electrons to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So here the nearest noble gas configuration is for a neon. Okay, so it is going to gain two electrons to attain the neon electronic configuration. Okay, so here for that, so here one oxygen is going to share its two electrons with the two hydrogen atoms. Okay, so here when we write the skeletal structure of a H2O, so here this is the oxygen which is at a center of a molecule. So next two hydrogen which were present at a corner of a molecule. Okay, so here when we write the Lewis dot structure of hydrogen and oxygen, so in valency shell of hydrogen it consists only one electron, that's why we are going to write one dot in a representation. So same way for this hydrogen we are going to write the one dot. Okay, so next here in valency shell of oxygen it consists totally 6 electrons, but here it requires 8 electrons to attain the octet configuration. So that's why it is going to share its 2 electrons with the 2 hydrogen atom to attain the octet configuration. Okay, so here it has totally 6 electrons, so it is going to share its 2 electrons with the 2 hydrogen atoms. So by sharing 2 electrons with the 2 hydrogen atom, so here oxygen is going to attain the octet configuration. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು oxygen surround ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here this oxygen is going to have 8 electrons in its surrounding. Okay, so surroundings ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವು, 8 electrons present ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 6 electrons ಇದಾವೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 electrons ಇದಾವು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು 2 electrons required to attain the octet configuration. Okay, so octet ಅಂದ್ರೆ stable configuration. Okay, so by sharing 2 electrons with a 2 hydrogen atom, so it is going to attain the octet configuration. So 2 electrons ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it is going to have the electronic configuration of a nearest noble gas. Okay, so ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ electronic configuration ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ, nearest noble gas electronic configuration agtati by sharing 2 electrons with the 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so same way, so here the hydrogen atoms are going to share 1 electron with the oxygen to form a duplet structure. Okay, duplet configuration, so that is also the nearest electronic configuration of a noble gas. Okay, so that is nothing but the helium. Okay, so here helium electronic configuration is 1s2. By sharing its one electron with oxygen, it is going to attain the electronic configuration of 1s2. So this is the stable one electronic configuration. So same way here also this hydrogen is going to share one electron with oxygen to attain the duplet configuration. Okay, so this is about the structure of a water. Okay, Lewis dot structure of a water. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 2 electrons ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So here they are going to attain the stable duplet or stable octet configuration. So same way here also in Lewis dot structure of Cl2. So here the total electrons in each Cl is 8 electrons. By sharing each electron they are going to attain the octet configuration. Okay, so this is about the heteronucleus example for a Lewis dot structure in a covalent bond. Okay, so now we will discuss some more example regarding Lewis dot structure in a of covalent bonds. Okay, so if we are going to consider the formation of a formation of CCl4 molecule. Okay, so carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so 4 chlorine ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, so here the one carbon is going to form a bond with the 4 chlorine atoms. Okay, so 4 chlorine atoms ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾವು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ CCl4. Okay, so before that first we are going to write the electronic configuration of a carbon. Okay, so here the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of a carbon. So when we consider the electronic configuration of chlorine, so that is neon 3s2 3p5. This is the electronic configuration of a chlorine. Okay, so here the carbon requires 4 electrons to attain the nearest noble gas configuration, and here the chlorine requires 1 electron to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So in other words, so here the carbon require 4 electrons to attain the octet. So same way here the chlorine require 1 electron to attain the octet. Okay, so here when you consider the structure of CCl4. Okay, so here the central atom is carbon. So central atom na ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗೇನು ಇದು ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ central atom. So here when we consider the carbon and chlorine, so here the chlorine is the most electronegative species than that of the carbon. So that's why the carbon is the central atom. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ atom na ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, by considering the electronegativity of atoms in a molecule. Okay, so here the electronegativity of chlorine is more when considered to the electronegativity of carbon. So that's why, so here the carbon is the central atom and chlorine is the corner atoms. Okay, so here the carbon which bonded with the 4 chlorine atoms. Okay, it bonded with the 4 chlorine atoms. When we write the Lewis dot structure of each chlorine and carbon species, so here in valency shell chlorine consists 7 electrons. So here when we write the Lewis dot structure, so this is the Lewis dot structure of a chlorine. This is the Lewis dot structure it consists 7 electrons in their valency shell. Okay, so when we write the Lewis dot structure of a carbon, so in valency shell it consists 4 electrons. Okay, so here this is consist 4 electrons in a valency shell. Okay, to attain the stable octet, the carbon is going to share its 4 electrons with the individual chlorine atoms. Okay, so by sharing 4 electrons with the individual chlorine atoms, it is going to attain the stable octet. So same way here, each chlorine atoms are going to share its 1 electron with the carbon. Okay, to attain the octet. Okay, so octet na attain ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದು electrons, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ already 7 electrons ಅದಾವು, so they require only 1 electron to attain the octet configuration. So that's why they are going to share 1 electron to a carbon, but here the carbon require 4 electron to attain the octet configuration. So that's why this carbon is going to share its electron, each electrons with the individual chlorine to attain the octet structure. Okay, so here when we consider the Lewis dot structure, so by sharing the 4 electrons, so carbon is going to attain the octet configuration. Okay, so ಇವೇನು 4 electrons ಏನು mutually share ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, so this is going to attain the octet configuration. So total ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So total 8 electrons ಇದಾವ. ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ 1 electron ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 electron ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 ಅಂತಂದರೆ 8 electrons. So individually, so chlorine atoms consist totally 8 electrons. So this is the Lewis dot structure of a CCl4. Okay, so here when we consider this one, it consists 8 electrons, and when we consider this chlorine, it consists 8 electrons. When we consider this chlorine, it consists 8 electrons, and when we consider this one, it is also going to it consists 8 electrons. So here the central carbon, so this is also consist 8 electrons. Okay, so here the all elements in the all atoms in the species, they are going to have the stable octet. Okay, so Lewis ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, so here the electrons Lewis ಏನು postulate ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, so here the atoms are going to have the stable octet by linking with the chemical bond. Okay, so here according to that, here we have 8 electrons in a individual valency shell of a atom. So here they are going to obey the octet rule. So this is the Lewis dot structure of a CCl4. So next when we consider the another example. Okay, so here when we consider this one, so here the 1 pair of electron is shared between 2 atoms. Okay, so such a bonds are called as a single covalent bond. Okay, so single covalent bond is nothing but the bond which is formed by the sharing of 1 pair of electron is called as a single covalent bond. Okay, so ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, single covalent bond. Okay, so one electron share ಮಾಡಿ, so ಈ atom 1 electron, ಈ atom 1 electron ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 pair of electrons ಏನು ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇವಕ್ಕೇನು, ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 2 electrons, so that is called as a 1 pair of electron. If there is 4 electrons, that is called as 2 pairs of electrons. Okay, pairs ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಸೊ 2 pairs ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 pairs of electrons ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So here the bond between 2 atoms takes place by sharing of 1 pair of electrons. So that's why this is called as a single covalent bond. Okay, so When we consider the many species, so they contain multiple bonds. Okay, so like when we consider the carbon dioxide. Okay, so here the carbon dioxide it consists double bond. Okay, so here when we consider the formation of carbon dioxide, so here consider electronic configuration of carbon, so that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So same way electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, so this is 2p2 and this is 2p4. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of oxygen and this is the electronic configuration of carbon. Okay, so here the carbon require 4 electrons to attain the nearest noble gas configuration, and oxygen requires 2 electrons to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So when we write the Lewis dot structure of a carbon dioxide, so here the carbon is the central atom, because so here the electronegativity of oxygen is more than that of a carbon, so that's why carbon is the central atom. Next, oxygens are placed at a corner of a molecule. Okay, so here when we write the Lewis dot structure of this species, so here the oxygen consists 6 electrons in its valency shell, so here we have to write 6 dots on a oxygen. So same way, so here the under oxygen it consists 6 electrons in its valency shell. Okay, so when we write the electronic configuration of carbon, so here Lewis dot structure of carbon, so here in valency shell it consists 4 electrons, so that's why we have to write the 4 dots around carbon. But when there is a formation of carbon dioxide, so here carbon requires extra 4 electrons to attain the stable octet, and same way here the oxygen requires extra 2 electron to attain the stable octet. Okay, so here the carbon is going to share its 2 electrons with the oxygen. Okay, so same way here the one oxygen is going to share its 2 electrons with the carbon. So here this electron is shared with the another oxygen. Okay, so by that this carbon is going to attain the stable octet. Okay, so when we consider this carbon in valency shell, there are totally how many electrons are present? There are totally 8 electrons are present. Okay, by sharing 2 electrons with each electrons with the individual oxygen, 2 electrons with the individual oxygen atom, so here the carbon is going to attain the stable octet. So same way here the oxygen also it is going to share its 1 pair of electron, or it is going to share 2 electrons with the carbon, so it is going to achieve the stable octet. Okay, so here the total number of electrons in each oxygen, that is nothing but the 8 electrons. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು. ಬೈ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ 2 electrons they are going to attain the stable octet. So here also same, the carbon is going to share its 2 electrons with the individual oxygen, and it is going to have the stable octet. Okay, so here when we consider the electrons, okay, so here there is a totally 2 electrons are shared between the 2 atoms. Okay, so here the 2 pairs of electrons are shared between the 2 atoms. By sharing 2 pairs of electron, if there is a formation of covalent bond, so such a covalent bond is called as a double bond. So what do you mean by double bond? So double bond is nothing but the covalent bond which is formed by a sharing of two pairs of electrons. Okay, so two pairs of electrons idava. So by sharing two pairs of electrons between two atoms in a chemical bonding, so such type of bond is called as a double bond. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು skeletal structure ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, so ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದು? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವು? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 lone pairs. Okay, so lone pairs andra the pair of electrons which are not involved in the chemical bonding, so such a electron pairs are called as a lone pairs. Okay, so illi iveradu idond pair they are not participating in the chemical bond. So here these two electrons and these two electrons, that means this pair and this pair of electrons, they are not participating in the chemical bond. So such a pair of electrons are called as a lone pairs. Okay, so these are called as a lone pairs. Okay, so here the electrons which are participating in the bond formation, they are called as a bond pair of electron. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಏನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಏನು ಇದೊಂದು ಪೇರು ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ethene. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಗಿದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು. write the Lewis dot structure of ethene. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if the two pairs of electrons shared between two atoms in a chemical bonding, that is called as a double bond. So if the three pairs of electrons which are shared between two atoms while bonding, so such type of bonds are called as a triple bond. Okay, so for that we are going to discuss the one example. So here the example is formation of nitrogen. Okay, I hope this is the fifth example. So here that is formation of N2. Okay, so here when we write the electronic configuration, so here the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay, so in valency shell nitrogen consists 5 electrons. Okay, to attain the octet configuration it requires 3 electrons. Okay, by gaining 3 electrons it is going to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. So when two nitrogen atoms are going to combine, so there is a mutual sharing of electrons will takes place. Okay, so here when we write the Lewis dot structure of a nitrogen, okay, so this is the Lewis dot structure of a nitrogen. So same way when it combine with another nitrogen, okay, so this is the Lewis dot structure of a another nitrogen. So here in valency shell there consist 5 electrons. Okay, so here to attain the nearest noble gas configuration, individual atom require the 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಏನು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಾ. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, 8 electrons ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು, ಟೋಟಲ್ 6 electrons ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ another electrons with the another nitrogen. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ನು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾವು, 7 electrons ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒಬೇ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ when it share 3 pairs of electrons. Okay, so each nitrogen, when they are going to form a chemical bonding, they are going to share 3 pairs of electrons. Okay, so 3 pairs of electrons share adaga, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 8 electrons ಅದಾವ ನಾವು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವೇನು, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇವೇನು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ atoms. Okay, in a molecule. Okay, so here when we consider the electrons in this nitrogen, so there are totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so stable octet na gain madita. So next ee nitrogen tagondre 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so by sharing 3 pairs of electron, so here the each nitrogen are going to attain the stable octet. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದು, 8 electrons ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು, ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 electrons ಅದು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಗೇನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ noble gas configuration, so here they are going to share 3 pairs of electrons. Okay, so by sharing 3 pairs of electron, there is a formation of a covalent bond. So here that bond is called as a triple bond. Triple bond. Okay, so this bond is called as a triple bond. Okay, so when we write the skeletal structure of this N2, okay, so here the nitrogen and the 2 nitrogens are bonded with the 3 pairs of electron. Okay, so that 3 pairs of electrons are represented by a single line. Okay, so ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ N2 molecule. This is the skeletal structure. So skeletal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 electrons between atoms. Okay, so here the totally 3 pairs of electrons which is shared between 2 nitrogen atom. So that's why this is called as a triple bond. Okay, by sharing 3 pairs of electrons, if there is a bond formation, such a covalent bond is called as a triple bond. So we discussed about the Lewis-Dot structure of Cl2 molecule, and also we discussed about the Lewis-Dot structure of water molecule. Okay, homonucleus molecule and heteronucleus molecule. So next we also discussed about the Lewis-Dot structure of CCl4 molecule. Then we discussed the Lewis-Dot structure of a CO2 carbon dioxide, and we discussed the Lewis-Dot structure of a N2 molecule. So here you have to write the Lewis-Dot structure of ethyne. Okay, so ಎರಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ Lewis-Dot structure ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಒಂದು, you have to write the Lewis-Dot structure of ethene, and you have to write the Lewis-Dot structure of ethyne. Okay, this is your homework. I hope you understood about today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new concept. Thank you.